Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about will snake eat chickens. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow. Now snakes can definitely eat chickens. Now the easy prey is their chicks, the small ones, because those are small, delicate and are almost helpless because they cannot defend themselves if a big snake attack them. And if a venomous snake attacks them, then there is no scope for them because venom is more than enough to kill them. Along with that, they can actually grab them, coil around them and kill them, suffocate them and then kill them. So it definitely a snake can kill a small chick and a big chicken also, the adult chicken also. But adult chickens are actually much more aggressive and can defend themselves quite well against various kinds of snakes. Although they are not always successful, but they can defend themselves quite well compared to the small ones because they have the wings that allows them to feel like they are much bigger than the size and can also help as a protective barrier against the snake's bite. They have a really great reflex that allows them to dodge from the snake's bite, and so that helps them a lot. Now a single chicken or their chicks can be in trouble if a big snake like king cobra enters the region, enters this place, because they are really big and it can be really difficult for the chickens to actually defend themselves because they're really big. They're way too oversized for a normal chicken, and it's not possible for a single chicken mother to actually defend their chicks when these kind of big snakes actually attack. Yeah, definitely it can try to fight back, and if that snake gets scared during that time, they might try to go away. But for king cobras, they are really big and the likelihood of happening that is really less because the snake is aggressive also, and if it's hungry it won't back off no matter how many times the chicken actually attacks them. Now there are also small snakes that can be defended, where the chickens can actually defend themselves against them because they are small, and the big adult chickens can have enough fight within them to actually protect their chicks from those kind of small snakes and can eventually scare them off. Now, if the snake is not able to attack them, regardless of how many times it tries, eventually a time will come when the snakes will get tired and it will try to move away from that place because they will know that the prey has already seen them, is now fully alert, and it will be really difficult for them to take out. So instead of wasting their energy, the snake will try to go away from that place. But for big snakes, it will be much more easier because they will be at advantage of their size, and of course they are really aggressive and they have a great speed. Now, if there are many chickens over in that place, then it can be difficult even for the big snakes because they will attack simultaneously, and it can be really difficult for the snakes to defend against themselves because defend against those kind of chickens. Even for the king cobras, if there are a lot of chickens in that place, in the chicken coop especially, then it can be quite difficult for the king cobras also to attack them. But if somehow the king cobra manages to bite a chicken, then it will be able to capture it and move away no matter how many times the other chicken distracts. Now, if one of the chicken gets caught within them, and then the other chickens will back off because, of course, then the snake will be busy swallowing that chicken, so the other chickens won't need to attack them because they will be safe during that time. And most importantly, if the snake has actually captured a big adult chickens, then it can consume at least 2 of them at most, and then the snake will go away from that place. So in most cases, once it is eating another adult chicken, the other chickens will back off because the snake will be completely focused on eating the chicken, won't attack the adult chickens. However, if the snake is only eating the small chicks, then it can attack multiple of them. Not only a single time, it will continue to attack unless its hunger is fed, unless it feels satisfied. It won't move away that easily. Now, snakes usually does this quite often. It is not that uncommon also. The only thing that can be done in this kind of situation is to check whether there is any hole from where the snakes can enter, because snakes can come through small holes also because they can squeeze their body and they are small in itself. So it's not difficult for even a big snake to come through small holes. So make sure to check if there is small holes, small cracks that from where the snakes can enter. If they are not there, it will be much unlikely that the snakes will enter from that place. However, if the snakes enter inside the coop, then you can take some additional step to keep the snakes away from the chickens. You can make sounds and scare the snakes because snakes are also scared of us no matter the size. They will be scared of if you try to just use any stick or any kind of thing to just scare them off, and eventually the snakes might even move away from that place. But it's better to be careful while you're doing so. Make sure that your no parts of your body is exposed. Don't give the snake then a place from where they can bite you, because doing so will endanger your life, and you don't want that to happen. And you want to protect yourself, and you also want to protect your chicken. So make sure that doesn't happen. So look around. If there is an opening, make sure to not go close to them, but instead use a stick, a long one, that can actually scare them away from the chicken coop. And once you have a couple of people has gathered over that place, that will be enough of the thing to actually scare the snake off, and the snake will move away after a while, because they are also scared of life, and they know if a lot of people are over there, they can eventually capture them and can eventually kill them. So snake is also wary during this time. If the attack fails, then most likely they will try to return from and go away from that place. By attack fail means if everyone gets alerted within that time, if all of the chickens get alert during that time, and if the people starts coming in, which means they have failed their stealth mission and they cannot hunt during that time, they will move away from that place afterwards. But it can, within that short period of time, they can also take down some of the chickens, small chicks also, because if let's say if there is a mother chicken over there and few chicks, 6 to 7 chicks over there, and the snakes first kills the mother, in that case it will be really difficult to stop the snakes from hunting the chicks also, because the chicks are basically completely defenseless against this kind of big snakes, and they cannot defend themselves. So if the mother chicken is down and if they don't have any other way to defend themselves, then the snakes will continue to eat other small chicks over there unless and until it is satisfied, and then the snakes might try to move away from that place once it is satisfied. But so in order to avoid this kind of situation, it is always better to keep a few chickens in the particular coop, so that they can attack the snakes simultaneously and can also defend other chicks. And also it's better to keep a male, so that they can actually defend themselves against the snakes, because they are even more aggressive and they are bigger and can actually give a strong fight against even big snakes. So if the multiple of them are over there along with the female chickens, the chickens over there, they can actually defend themselves against even the big snakes. Yeah, they will be moving around and flying around, but they can actually protect themselves quite well. And if there are so many of them together at a single place, that will be even difficult for the large snakes, the big snakes, to attack that place, because they will be in a harm, because that's a too risky of a stage. And if they cannot take them out of a surprise, it will be quite difficult for the snakes to take any of them. Because, and if the place is even bigger, that is also another factor. Where if the place where the snake, where the chickens are kept are big, the coop where the chickens are kept are big, then it can also be difficult for the snake to do a sneak attack, because they will usually target one of the chickens and then they will attack it. And if they somehow misses during that time, they will try to chase them and attack them. But if the place is really big, then the chickens will have enough room to fly around and get from one part of the coop to another part of the coop, and that can be really difficult for the snakes to capture them during that time, especially if they get alert during that time, because a sneak attack is always, most of the time, will be successful, especially for the big snakes. But for small snakes, it may not even be that successful. And venomous snakes can actually inject the venom, and that can be really lethal. And even if the snake doesn't die immediately, the chicken doesn't die immediately, it will die afterwards, and then the snake can consume it. If the venomous snake is able to give a bite on the chicken, doesn't matter what kind of, it is a big one or a small one, then there is game over for it, and the snake will end up eating it. But that will be one of them. But if they cannot give the bite and still try to guess in, then try to bite it, then it will be quite difficult for the snake if there are a lot of chickens in that place. And so the solution over here is to have a big coop and get a lot of chickens. If you have a lot of chicks over there, that will keep them safe, because together they have power, and alone they are not that much powerful. So they need a lot of them, because they can protect themselves quite well, but definitely they are not perfect, and against this kind of big predators it can be really tough, but they are good at fighting. So that's it for this video. I hope you find something helpful from this video, and if you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. And uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Thank you.